In this video, I'll demonstrate how to add a custom Dokan module to the Dokan modules page in the admin panel, and how to add settings for a new custom Dokan module. I created a simple test WordPress plugin for this demonstration. You can see the new custom module example section that the test plugin added. Unfortunately, the light version of the Dokan plugin doesn't allow you to add custom modules. That's why I use the Dokan Pro. The presence of a license doesn't affect the ability to add custom modules. The custom module has all the properties of a standard Dokan module. You can add a description of the module, a link to the documentation page, and so on. An active custom module can have its own tab on the Dokan settings page. My test plugin adds a custom module item to the settings menu with a description and icon. The custom module settings page has its own title, description, and the ability to add a link to the module settings description page. My test plugin added several example standard setting fields created using a special Dokan constructor. If necessary, you can add several Dokan settings pages for one module. The values of all entered settings are stored in the database as an array. I'm demonstrating the contents of the settings array on the WooCommerce shop page as an example. You can use this to implement into functionality of your custom module. Let's look at the test plugin code structure. The plugin includes 2 PHP files and 2 PNG image files. The main plugin file Dokan custom module example.php. Pay attention to the module file and module class parameters. In fact, the module file parameter is used to include module class.php file contains the new module main class. And the module class parameter is used to create a new object of this class. These parameters as well as name and ID are required. The file module.php contains the main class of a new custom Dokan module. In the test plugin, the run function body is empty. But this you can implement all the functionality of your custom module, connect the necessary styles and scripts, include the necessary files, and so on. The function activate will be executed when the plugin is activated. In the test plugin, the body of this function is empty, but you may need it. Please note that in the name of the hook that calls this function you need to specify the ID of your custom module. The Load Settings section function adds a new settings page and a new settings menu item. Required fields ID and title. The Load Settings fields function adds new fields and HTML modules to the new module settings page new module. I added one element of each type for example. I also added a small function display settings to display the contents of the settings array in the database. In real work, you won't need this. You can find a link to the code for this plugin in the description of this video. I hope this video will help you create your own high-quality WordPress plugins.